Hey guys, it's Geza here for Phonelicious, and today in this video let me give you my first impressions on the newly launched Honor 9 Lite. So Honor has been introducing quite a lot of mobiles over the past 3 months. We did have a tough time choosing between Honor 9i and also Honor 7X, but to make things tougher, Honor has now launched this Honor 9 Lite. At the time of recording this video, I am not yet aware of the Honor 9 Lite's price in India, but I am guessing somewhere around less than 15,000 rupees. So definitely it's competing against its own lineup of mobile phones. So keeping all those aside, let us see what all we get in the retail unit package. So we get the mobile phone, that's for sure. And apart from the mobile phone, you get a 5V 2A charger, which is from Huawei, a micro USB cable, SIM ejector pin, user manuals, and also a back case. Honor 9 Lite, to justify its name, is quite light. It is very thin and handy to handle. The mobile phone has a display of 5.63 inches diagonally, which is almost equivalent to a mobile with a 5.2-inch 16:9 aspect ratio display. This one has an 18:9 aspect ratio full vision display. The bezels are really thin. I wouldn't call it a bezel-less mobile, but a thin bezel mobile, or even you can call it a full vision display. On the front you would find a 13+2 megapixel camera, and at the back you would find again a 13+2 megapixel depth sensor. On the bottom you would find a speaker grill, micro USB port, mic, and also a 3.5mm audio jack. On the top there is nothing, but on the back you would find a noise cancelling mic along with a single LED flash, and also the fingerprint sensor is placed at the back. On the right side there is a volume and the power button, and on the left side there is a hybrid SIM card tray. So the mobile phone is already powered up, and let us go and see the software version in it. So this mobile is running on Android 8.0 out of the box. The corresponding version number of EMUI has also been changed to EMUI 8.0 to avoid any confusion. So this mobile phone is running on Hisilicon 615 processor. The version which I have in my hand has 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. You would also get a 3GB and 32GB storage coming in. And the display supports Full HD Plus resolution. On the storage part, out of 64GB available, user available storage is around 52GB. This Honor 9i has almost all the required sensors, including the gyroscope, magnetic sensor, and also the orientation sensor. It does not support NFC, but it supports USB OTG. You can use this mobile phone to consume your VR content, but then the resolution of this mobile is just Full HD. Other than that factor, this mobile would be good to consume any kind of media, including any VR content. So let's see how the camera is. As I already mentioned, it has a 13 megapixel camera along with a 2 megapixel depth sensor on the back, and a similar 13 megapixel camera on the front along with a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The camera UI supports a plethora of modes, including professional mode, light painting, document scan, and things like that. And also you get a wide aperture mode along with portrait mode and live pictures. This mobile phone does not support any of the AI functions, but it does have some kind of machine learning for system optimization. Check out a few pictures which I shot with this Honor 9 Lite. So this mobile phone is running on a 3000 mAh of battery, and rest of specifications can be seen here. So this is my initial first impressions of this mobile phone. It looks good, really nice. I like the glossy finishing at the back, though it is a fingerprint magnet, and also it might be kind of slippery in the hand. The design looks really appealing. It's a beautiful piece of tech. I would love using this, and I'm gonna be enjoying reviewing this mobile phone. So I'll be posting my review soon on this channel Phonelicious, and make sure to subscribe to my channel Phonelicious so that you don't miss those reviews. Until I catch up with you on the next video, this is Giridhar signing off. Goodbye.